Did your Copa Airlines flight get delayed, cancelled, or did you miss a connecting flight? Don't worry, compensation might be available. In this video, I'll guide you through the easy process of claiming compensation using Compensair, a service trusted by many travelers worldwide. With Compensair, you won't need to deal directly with Copa Airlines, as they handle everything for you. First, head to Compensair's website by using the secure link provided in the video description to ensure you avoid phishing sites. Once on the site, begin by entering your Copa Airlines flight details, including departure and arrival airports, flight number, and date of travel, which can be found on your booking confirmation or boarding pass. Next, fill in your personal details, such as your full name and email address. Rest assured, Compensair guarantees the safe handling of your data. After you've completed all the necessary fields, double-check for accuracy and click Submit. From there, Compensair will take over, working with Copa Airlines to secure your compensation. All you need to do is wait for updates. When your claim is approved, you'll receive an email, and your compensation will be sent directly to your preferred payment method. It's that easy. With Compensair, claiming compensation for delayed, cancelled, or missed Copa Airlines flights is simple and stress-free. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.